Let's learn how to play the note D on clarinet. This note sits just below the bottom of the staff. It kind of hangs just underneath that bottom line, and it sounds like this. Now on the clarinet, we also have higher versions of this note, like this one, and then a really high one like this. Most beginner clarinets start with this D that is below the staff. Let's take a look at the fingering chart. Remember, the fingering chart is a picture of the home keys of your clarinet, and the ones that are colored in tell you which fingers to press down. So looking at our chart, we can see we press down our left thumb up here, our left first finger, and second finger, and that's all we need to do to play this note D. Now, if you try this note and it doesn't work or it doesn't sound like mine, let's go through our checklist. First, make sure you're pressing the correct home keys: thumb, first finger, second finger. Next, we want to make sure that we're curving our hands and not accidentally pressing any side keys. If you press any of these buttons on the side, it's going to make your note not sound right. Third, we want to make sure that our fingers are completely covering the holes. If any air is leaking out, even just a sliver, the note won't sound right. So we want to use the part of our fingertip that's opposite of your fingernail and make sure we are completely covering the holes. Fourth of our checklist is really the thing you should check every time you play your clarinet, is to make sure you're doing all the fundamentals: sitting with good posture, good holding position, good band face or embouchure, taking a deep breath, and sustaining our air for a good sound. That's how we play the note D below the staff on the clarinet. To learn more notes on your clarinet, check out our other clarinet tutorials. Thanks for watching, everybody. Now go practice.